Do you want to jazz up the plant pots in your home? We will show you how. You will need acrylic paints, paintbrushes, masking tape, a plate, and a plant pot. First, use masking tape to cover the drain hole at the bottom of the pot. Then put a plate down because things are going to get messy. Place the pot on it upside down and pour the paint over the pot. Use as many colours as you like. Brush the bottom of the pot to push the paint down the sides. When the paint is dry, turn the pot over and use a paintbrush to paint the bottom rim. Doesn't it look so much cooler?